actually come a long way with making of my hair all by myself. Like, I found it so interesting. Yeah, making my own hair all by myself. It's not like I don't have people to help me out, or I don't have money to go to the salon to get my hair done. No, I have them, and I have at least a little money to go get my hair done in the salon. But then I choose to do it myself because I love to. Yes, I love to do that by myself, and I have been enjoying it for the past 5 to 6 years now. Yeah, I I went natural in 2020, and ever since then it has been an amazing and smooth journey. Yeah, should I say smooth? Honestly, that part I can't really tell if it's smooth or not, but yeah, with the help of my patient and my care, it has been so smooth, I must say. So, if you are trying to go natural and you have just been thinking about it, you don't know how to go about it, please just do. If you feel like you don't want to carry your relaxed hair anymore, or your texturized hair anymore, you want to go natural, like you want to go back to the natural hair which you were born with, do well to go back to your original hair. Okay, as for me, I have relaxed my hair. I'm so sorry to break your heart, but I did relax my hair. And I didn't relax my hair because my hair was too thick for me to maintain or for anything, but I just felt like, I want to feel that vibe of relaxed hair again. And trust me, people that know me knows that I can cut my hair anytime, and my hair grows so fast. So that is not a problem. Me relaxing my hair is not a problem. I can always go back to my natural hair. I mean, the hair I was born with, anytime, any day that I just feel like I do anything I feel like doing, and whenever I want to do it, especially something that makes me happy. Yes, I do not wait for anybody's permission to do what makes me happy. So, do what makes you happy, and you will be glad you did. Yeah. Choosing your happiness is the most important thing you should always do. So, I've relaxed my hair, and hopefully I'm able to try out some amazing relaxed hairstyles. Yeah, you guys, I'm a slick back lover, no doubt. Yeah, I love slick back because it fits me a lot. Like, have you seen the look slick back gives me? Slick backs makes me look younger, just like when I braid my hair, which is why I love making slick back. And also, it's simple. I can easily put slick back together in just 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm ready to move. Another hairstyle I also rocked very well during my natural hair journey, or should I say my Afro hair journey, was twists. Twist will stretch your hair, and it will also add length. I mean, your hair will literally grow from zero to something when you start making twists. Trust me, I have tried it and I have seen a lot of results, which is why I'm telling you now that you should make twist your best friend and thank me later. Another way to stretch your afro thick hair is by using thread. If you know how to make thread, or you can get someone to do it for you, and your hair will be perfectly straight. You do not need heat to stretch your hair, trust me. So I hope all these styles are worth the effort, and would you be trying any of my hairstyles? Please do let me know. This particular hairstyle, like I styled it for like almost a month plus because the style was so beautiful. I couldn't get over the hairstyle. I mean, what I was doing is, like, should I say rebranding the hair? Anytime the hair gets old, like, I'm remaking it again because the hair was so beautiful and I got a lot of compliments. So why not? I had to, remake the hair over and over just to keep the beauty going. Oh my goodness. So, but in the end, I finally, like took out the hair because I carried the hair for, I think it was going to a month and 2 weeks or something. I can't remember how long I carried the hair, but I know it lasted for long because of the beauty and the time, because this hair really took my time. I think I spent almost 7 hours or more than making this particular hair. You guys know how, what is it called? Oh, I forgot to know. Oh, how boho braid can be. Thank you. I remembered. So I think this is like 2 weeks or 1 week of the hair already. I had to like restyle it, just like put it in order again. Okay, 1 week later, and I'm still rocking the hair. So you guys, I think I'm talking too much now. I just want to appreciate every one of you that has been watching my video from when I cut my hair, started training my hair, and now again I have relaxed my hair and I'm still talking about cutting it. You all should just pray for me not to change my mind. You guys, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you. Like I said, I carried this hair for long. This is the third time I'm making the front hair over and over, and I enjoyed it. Yeah, finally taking the hair out, because what is this? They swear for me. So, you guys, what was I saying? I have said a lot of things, and hopefully, I'm making a point. I don't know. Yeah, I should be making points, right? Yeah, I should be making a point, hopefully. So, my point is that I've come a long way with hair journey, and I've really created a whole lot. Honestly, creating hair video made me to become confident in, like, when I'm on camera. I'm so confident right now. Like, I don't feel shy anymore. I used to be a shy girl, but not anymore. All thanks to natural hair. Yeah. Natural hair made me to become bold and confident. I'm no longer that shy girl that I used to know. Now I can face camera and say whatever thing I want to say to you all anytime, any day. Thank you guys for always watching. I do appreciate every one of you. Let's see what this relaxed hair journey holds for us. Yeah. So you guys, I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, tell me your thoughts, what you think about me. Was relaxing my hair a good decision or a wrong decision? I would love to hear from you all. Thank you, my loves. Love you guys a lot, honestly. Bye, yeah.